In this tutorial, we want to do this design here, which can be used as a screen background or wallpaper in Inkscape 1.0. So we start by going for our star and polygon tool. We click it and we draw a hexagon. So choose regular polygon, and then if we change the number here to 6. Now we draw our polygon. Make sure that the top face is up like this. Okay, that is good. The next thing we want to do is let's reduce the opacity of what we've drawn. So go to Object, Fill and Stroke for this to pop up. Dialog box pops up, and then reduce the alpha channel. When it's 100, it's very opaque, and then as you reduce it to the left, it becomes transparent. Just reduce it to any point at all for the time being. Now we do a duplicate of what we have here. So go to right click the mouse and go to duplicate. With the duplicate, we want to change the duplicate into a triangle. So go to the star and polygon tool again, and then reduce it to 3. Have this. Let's change the triangle, the color of the triangle, so we can differentiate it a bit. Now with the triangle selected, let's do another duplicate of the triangle by going to, you can also do edit duplicate. Now we have a duplicate of this. We would rotate what we have 60 degrees. So go to Object, Transform, and in the if you press that, this dialog box pops up. Go to Rotate and write 60 here, and then choose Rotate in counterclockwise direction, and then apply. Now what we want to do is to reduce the size of this triangle. So we go ahead and press it, and we can either reduce the size, because I think we want to have it as halved. We can either come here and have this locked, and then we divide this by 2. Let's see whether this, yes, that gives us what we want. And then we want to place it such that the sides of this triangle touch, although the corners touch the sides of this other triangle here. I hope you understand what I mean. So for you to do that, maybe you will need a snapping tool. So go ahead and enable snapping. If yours did not fit nice, go snapping, and then we need something that snaps to line segments. So go here and press snap midpoint to 9 segments. First of all, put this on, okay, and then put this on as we snapped caps notes, including rectangle corners, because we have. And then also snap other points, because we want it to align with the center. So then you activate snap center of objects, or snap an item's rotation. Now we have these 3 things. The thing we are looking for, we want to color these. These 3 things will have the same color, so I don't need to do anything with them with respect to this triangle. But I want to split this 3 things here outside. We need these triangles. I want to color them different colors, and for me to be able to do that, I would have to have them more or less broken apart or separated, because other than that, it's one thing. So to do that, I would let's do a duplicate of our triangle here. go here and just right click and do duplicate, and then with that duplicate selected, go to shift and press also the hexagon and go to path difference. Now we have 3 different things. Let's see here, but if you still see, they are connected. When I colored it, they were the same, they are connected. So to break that thing, we go to path break apart. So now they are broken apart. I have now the possibility to color them different colors. So let's select this part and then we start. If you see what we have here, this is what we have here, and the color I used here is this one here. So I'll give this one this color. Now we have to increase, it looks not that, so we increase this, the opacity, for we want it to the maximum so we can see the color clearly. And this has the same color as this, so I go here and select this and give it the same color. And also because we reduce the, yes, now the third one here, we can give it, where is it, I gave it this color, so I would say this was the color chosen. Let's see here. Yes, I think we are good. Now here, this one I chose a very light, I chose this color, so give it this color here. We also increase the opacity, and then finally we have our triangle, which had a contrast a bit, so I think I chose this. Yes, so this is what we have now. If you look at it closely, this is what we have that will be repeating. So we select everything, and then let's maybe group them. So go to objects, group, and then we make it small, so something like this, more or less, like the size we have here, more or less, because it's this thing. Okay, this is smaller, but doesn't matter. Now when we bring it here, and then we go to edit, clone, create tile clones. Now there's yes, create tile clones. So this pops up. If you cannot see it here, you see we have the fill and stroke here, so change it to this. If it doesn't do, go back here and do again, then you have it here. Now go to shift, and then we choose for the shift X 50, and for the shift Y choose -75, because I chose it not equal, because it's a hexagon, so for them to go and touch each other, so there are no gaps in them. And then go to exclude tiles if you in case have that there. And then I chose something like 10 columns and 17, it's 10 rows and 17 columns. You can choose this, you can vary it a bit. This I just chose to have it big like this for you to see. So now after doing that, just go to create, and then you see this is what popped up. Oh, it's created and went up there to join what I had done here. Let's see here, let's go back, and then I move this one here away, or we give it more space. I can also create it, let's check if I create it downwards. So I shift it down 75, so this, and then create, yes, the same, because this will put it up, and this minus, because this was already there, I just wanted to bring it here. It's just a mirror. So we've created what we wanted. if you need it, you can just use your snap tool, snipping tool to cut a piece of it. Like I have a snipping tool here, you can go for it, and then maybe you can cut a piece of it to a rectangular part of it to do whatever you want to do with. And then you can go on and save it as a PNG and then use it as you will, or you can also cut some here, manipulate to save it in the format that you want, and then use it as you wish. Thank you for watching. Please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.